What's up, everybody? Today should be the last build video. First thing we're going to do today is try and fix all the stuff that we found out was messed up in the last video. So we're going to fix that engine mount. We've already pulled the bash bar off. We're going to get it straightened back out. And we're going to grind the edge of the spacers down so the face of the wheel will sit flat on there, and maybe keep the wheels from wobbling a little bit. So I didn't really want to buy another engine mount, and there wasn't any good ones at the junkyard. So we're just making this bracket to bolt from here to here, and hopefully that'll help stabilize our mount so that the engine won't move. We bent a piece and welded it in there, and then built this piece here that bolts in. So maybe that'll hold the engine in place, I don't know. I guess now we'll just try and grind the edge down on those spacers so the face of the wheel will sit flush. Alright, so I got these spacers ground down. Started getting all this clearance back here. I've got this side pretty much done, which we've got to fold it all the way back down to like the main floorboard or whatever that is right there. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this side, and then my brother's here making these extra braces, and he fixed the bar. He's added in some more support. He's gonna chop this piece down and make another one right here. So we're just gonna keep on working on it. Got everything re-welded. Got these extra braces in here now, and whenever we crashed it, it actually did kind of tweak the whole thing, and we weren't able to get it all the way straight. So it's a little close over here, a little far over here, but it'll be okay. It's probably gonna get broke off there again. Anyways, Brian's over here cutting the body out, trying to get that side to look like this. See if we can't get this thing to turn. Alright, so we got that side all clearanced out, and we still can't turn perfect, but that's full lock right there, and it just barely hits right here. So and that's actually easy to hit in, so we can fix that side. And then over here on the other side, there's full lock to the other side. And you shine your light down there? We're in it right there.
We can bring that back some more.
Yeah, we can smash that in some more. So I think we're actually going to be able to turn this thing. But it's getting late tonight, so we'll pick this video up in the morning. So grinding these spacers down, we just can't seem to get it to not wobble. So we cut off this whole part right here, and we can put the wheel on normal, and we turn now. So do the same thing on this side, cut this whole section off, and then front end will be good. So it doesn't look nearly as aggressive, but it's a lot safer this way. But we were able to get tires on the right way and still got plenty of clearance in there. Well, finally, guys, we had a pretty much successful test ride. We didn't rub. The engine stayed in place for the most part. Gave it a couple clutch dumps and it didn't break no axles. Brakes worked. Alright, so we'll get this thing up in the air and we'll build a skid plate for it. So we got the car up in the air and starting to make the skid plate. We're going to bolt it in the transmission mount and the tow hooks. He's tacking on our bracket. This will go to our transmission mount. This is cut out for the so the suspension can move. Alright.
Hello.
So we got our holes drilled out in a plate and we got our brackets welded onto the tow hooks right there. Which, you know what, now that we got this done, I was kinda, what if we need the tow hook? Oh well. Got the skid plate all done, got our brackets, got it bolted in. Bolted in back there. Cut out a little piece so you get your ratchet in there. Cut out little angles for the suspension to move. So we're gonna bring the car down and I'm gonna cut that little tab off though. It won't stay like that. So I got this all back down. So we painted the front bash bar white and put some mesh on it. Now we're blood spattering it. So we're gonna do this all over the whole car and everything. Got the car pulled back in here. Put some stickers on the rear window. And now I'm starting to make the exhaust, which this is my exhaust right here. Use these scrap pieces and a couple adapters. So I'm gonna weld all these adapters together and then get it positioned where it needs to be, connected to the exhaust that's under the car. Then we're gonna run the stack out the side right here. Got all the adapters right here, welded on into the 3-inch, and then bolted through the car there. And this is what we're working with. I'm just going to lift it up in the air and finish welding everything together, and then we'll probably move on to the fenders after that. So there it is. I'll have to get my brother to go back and fix all my bad welds, but it is on there for now. I'm going to just I'm going to lower this thing back down and then we'll get the fenders put on it. Fenders are fully mounted. Went ahead and threw the front bar back on. And threw on a small light bar also. So all I got left to do now is just wire in the light bar, do a battery tie down, and then that should be it. Nothing else really to film on it. I'll pull it out of here and give y'all a good walk around of it. that's going to pretty much wrap this one up. There is a couple more little finishing touches that we're going to do to it right before the race. But for the most part, it is done. The next time you see this car, it'll be up at the Gambler 500 ready to race. That's going to be all for this one. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.